Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.2 from the chapter Applications of Matrices and Determinants. Rank of a matrix. What is the rank of a matrix? Rank is defined as the order of the highest order non-vanishing minor. It means that among the non-zero minors, you have to check for the highest order. So that highest order is called as the rank of that matrix. You will understand it better when you do the problems. If A is a m by n matrix, rank of A will be less than or equal to minimum of m and n. So let us do the first sum. It is given matrix A is 2 minus 4 minus 1 2. So let us denote it as A matrix. 2 minus 4 minus 1 and 2. So the first thing is you have to find the order of the matrix. That is step 1. Find the order of the matrix. So order of this matrix is 2 by 2. So the condition says the rank of a matrix will be less than or equal to minimum of that 2, 2. So rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 2 and 2. What is the minimum of 2 and 2? It is 2. So rank of A is less than or equal to 2. That means rank of A is either 0 or 1 or 2. It is not 0 because rank of a 0 matrix only is 0. So it is either 1 or 2. Let us check for 2. How do you check for 2? So you have to find the determinant of the 2 by 2 minor. So determinant of 2 by 2 minor. So the minor is 2 minus 4 minus 1 2 minus 1 2. So what is its value? It is equal to 4 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 0. It is vanishing. It is 0. So it is 0. We need a non-vanishing minor. Only then we can find the rank. So because it is 0, the rank is not 2. It very clearly says non-vanishing minor. So this is not a non-vanishing minor. So you have to say that rank is not 2. So what is the other option now? Rank is 1. Rank is 1 because there exists at least one non-zero element there. Okay. So rank is not 0 because this is not a 0 matrix. The rank of a 0 matrix is defined to be 0. So rank is not 0, rank is not 2, so rank is equal to 1. Now we'll move on to the second question. Matrix A is minus 1, 3, 4 minus 7, 3 minus 4. What is the order of this matrix? 3 by 2, 3 rows and 2 columns. So it is a 3 by 2 matrix. So rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 and 2. So what is the minimum of 3, 2? It is 2. 2 is the minimum of 3, 2. So rank of A is less than or equal to 2. So rank of A is either 0 or 1 or 2. So let us first check whether it is 2. So there are so many 2 by 2 minors. So we have to check. Find out whether any non-vanishing 2 by 2 minor is there. So first let us check this minus 1, 3, 4 minus 7. So 7 minus 12, that is equal to minus 5, not equal to 0. So we got a non-vanishing minor. So since we got a non-vanishing minor, so what is the order of this non-vanishing minor? 2. Isn't it? So it is the rank. The rank of this non-vanishing minor is 2. Therefore, that is the rank of this. Now we'll move on to the third question. Matrix A is 1 minus 2 minus 1 0, 3 minus 6 minus 3 1. So what is the order of this matrix? It is a 2 by 4 matrix, isn't it? There are 2 rows and 4 columns. So it is a 2 by 4 matrix. So the rank will be less than or equal to minimum of 2 and 4. Rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 2, 4. What is the minimum of 2 and 4? It is 2. So rank of A is less than or equal to 2. So that means rank of A is either 0 or 1 or 2. It is not 0 because this matrix A is not a 0 matrix. So we have to check first whether it is 2. The highest order we have to check. So the highest is 2. So let us check. There are so many 2 by 2 minors in this. So we have to check at least one non-zero 2 by 2 minor. That we have to check whether that exists. So let us take this 1 minus 1 0 minus 3 1. So it is equal to minus 1, isn't it? Minus 1. So it is minus 1 is not equal to 0. So we got a non-vanishing minor. Once you get a non-vanishing minor, that is when you get non-zero, you can just stop there and write the rank as 2. Understood? Once you get a non-zero minor, then you stop there, find the order of that non-zero minor. Here it is 2, so the rank is 2. Now we move on to the next question. Matrix A, 1 minus 2 3, 2 4 minus 6, 5 1 minus 1. What is the order of this matrix? It's a 3 by 3 matrix. So order of this matrix is 3 by 3. That means rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 and 3. Isn't it? Because it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 3 and 3. What is the minimum of 3? We write it as 3. So rank of A is less than or equal to 3. That means rank of A is either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. It is not 0. So we have to first check 3. So take a 3 by 3 minor. That means a full matrix we are taking. First we have to check for 3. Highest order, we have to start from the highest order. So when you check for 3, let us find the determinant value of it. So we have taken the 3 by 3 minor and you have to find the determinant value of it. It's a 3 by 3 minor. So how do you find the determinant value of it? So 1 into minus 4 plus 6. Minus of minus 2. Second element you should have a minus sign. So already one minus is there, it become plus 2. Plus 2 into minus 2 minus 30 will become plus 30. Plus 3 into 2 minus 20. So that is equal to minus 4 plus 6 is 2 plus 28 into 2. 2 into 28 plus 3 into minus 18. So that will give you 2 plus 56 minus 54. That is equal to 58 minus 54. That will give you 4. So 4 is not equal to 0. So we got a non-vanishing minor. That means we got a non-zero minor. So as I told you, once you get a non-zero minor, you can just stop there because we have found a highest order non-vanishing minor. So rank of A will be now equal to 3. The order of this non-zero minor is 3. That is the rank, the highest order of non-vanishing minor. Now we'll move on to the next question. Question number 5. So matrix A is 0 1 2 1 0 2 4 3 8 1 0 2. So what is the order of this matrix? 3 by 4 because there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So the order is 3 by 4. Now the rank of A will be less than or equal to minimum of 3, 4. So minimum of 3 and 4 is 3. So that means the rank is either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. So it is not 0. Isn't it? Rank is not 0 because this matrix A is not a 0 matrix. So it is either 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. So 0 is cancelled. So you have either 1, 2 or 3. So you have to start from 3, the highest order. So rank is, we have to check whether it is 3. There are so many 3 by 3 minors here. So we have to check at least one non-zero minor exists or not. So for that, you can take any 3 by 3 minor. So it is very clear the first 3 is becoming 0. The first 3 by 3 if you take, it will become 0. So let us try with the second, third and fourth columns. So we are going to try with that and check whether we are getting a non-zero minor. So we are taking the second column, third column and fourth column. Let us find the value of this determinant and check whether it is 0 or non-zero. So if it is non-zero, then you can just stop there and say the rank is 3. So let us check that. 1 into 8 minus 0 minus 2 into 4 minus 3 plus 1 into 0 minus 4. So that is 8 minus 2 minus 4. That is 8 minus 6. That is equal to 2, not equal to 0. So once you get not 0, that means rank is equal to the order of that non-vanishing minor. That means rank is equal to 3. So rank of A is 3 because it is a 3 by 3 minor and it is non-vanishing. So the rank is 3. Thank you.